Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class. Second lesson, safety and home. Second lesson, safety and home. In this lesson, we already discussed be safe in the classroom and be safe for the playground. Today we are going to learn be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. Safety rules on the road. First point, walk on the footpath. Walk on the footpath. First point, walk on the footpath or safe side of the road. Walk on the footpath or safe side of the road. Second point, cross the road at the zebra crossing. At the zebra crossing. At the zebra crossing. It is the second point. These are the main. Walk on the footpath or safe side of the road. Or cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, first look at your right side. Look at your right side and the left side, and again you can see the right side. Okay, I understand. Next, cross the road when it is clear or when the traffic stops. Okay, and if there is a subway also, it is also cross the road. Cross the road. When next point, when riding a bicycle, keep to your left. Keep to your left. Signal before turning. First you keep to your left side, this side. Okay, signal before turning. Before turning. And next point, do not get into or get off a moving bus. Get off, it is the main point, children. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. Next, do not put your hand or head. Do not put your head or arms out of a moving bus. These are the main points, main rules on the road. Okay? First, walk on the footpath. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. When riding a bicycle, keep to your left. Signal before turning. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. Do not put your head or arms out of a moving bus. These are the main points and be safe on the road. You also follow these rules. You are the safe. First point, walk on the footpath. Footpath means or safe side of the road. Okay. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. You know zebra crossing. It's a road middle, white lines, yes, like this. It is a zebra crossing. Lines. In this area we cross the road. And first we cross the road. First you get your right side and then left side. Again you can see the right side. Okay. When riding a bicycle, keep to your left signal before turning. And do not get into or get off a moving bus. Do not put your head or hands, arms out of a moving bus. Here see children. Walk on the footpath or safe side of the road and signal before turning like this. Okay? See, keep to your left. Be careful in a moving bus. Don't get off or get into a moving bus, and don't put your head and arms out of a moving bus. Okay. Here say children oral questions. Choose the correct answer. Use a blade, knife, sharpener to sharpen pencil. Which one you use? Sharpener. Okay, use a sharpener to sharpen pencil. Cross the road at the giraffe, horse, zebra or zebra crossing. Which one is correct answer? Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Use an Broadway, edgeway, subway to cross a road. Subway. It is an underground passage for crossing a road. Okay. Next safety rules. Be safe at home. Be safe on the road. Okay. Be safe at home. Be safe at home. Be safe at home. Yes, be safe at home. Safety rules. Do not leave your toys or pencils, bags or shoes on the floor. Do not leave toys, bags, shoes, okay, pencils on the floor. You or someone could trip them. Okay, could trip over them. Next point. Be careful with sharp things. Be careful with sharp things. What is the first point? Be safe at home. First point, do not leave your toys or bags, shoes, pencils like that. Okay. Next, be careful with sharp things by using knife, blade, scissors, these things. Next point. Fire can hurt you. Fire can hurt you very badly. Fire can hurt you very badly. Be careful near stoves. Be careful near stoves. Be careful near stoves. And do not touch hot pans. Do not touch hot pans of boiling water. So then I repeat to see children, do not leave your toys, bags, shoes on the floor. You or someone could trip them. And be careful with sharp things like by using knives, next blades, scissors. Okay, fire can hurt you very badly. And be careful near stoves. And do not touch hot pans and boiling water. Okay, next point. And by lighting candles, matchboxes. Okay, hold them away. Next, do not touch electrical gadgets with wet hands. Okay, do not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands. Okay, do not touch electrical gadgets and switches with wet hands. You may get electrical shock. Take medicines only after asking elders. After asking an adult. Okay? Do not touch electrical gadgets, switches with wet hands, you may shock. And take medicines only after asking an adults and parents. Okay? Next, do not play with plastic bags, bed sheets, next, or pillowcases. pillowcases by by pulling them by pulling them over your head, over your head. These are the main points. These are the rules at home. Okay, once again I repeat, you do not leave your toys, bags or shoes on the floor. You and someone could trip over them. Next point, and be careful while using sharp things, knives and blades, scissors like that. And fire cannot hurt very badly. Don't touch hot pans and boiling water. Okay, and don't go to near stoves. Be careful near stoves and don't go children. And next, while lighting candles and matchboxes, hold them away. Next, do not touch electrical gadgets, switches with wet hands. Take medicines only after asking elders or parents. And do not play with plastic bags, bed sheets and pillowcases and pulling them over your head. These are the rules of at home, and today we are learning be safe on the road, safety rules on the road and safety rules at home. Okay, you also once read children page number 20 and 21. Okay, today homework. Draw the traffic lights. Draw the traffic lights and label it. It is your homework. Okay? Draw the traffic lights and label it.